In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can log out of Clash of Clans. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to actually log out of Clash of Clans, what you're going to want to do first is actually go ahead and click on the gear icon down like right above the shop. It should be towards the bottom right corner of the screen. When you do click on this, what you're going to do is look for an option that specifically says connect or open depending on your setup. Go ahead and select that and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. And from here, what you're going to want to do is select the gear icon again to bring up a new page. What you're going to want to do now is simply just scroll down and you're going to see an option with ID next to it. That's going to be your Supercell ID. Simply go ahead and select log out. As soon as you tap this, you're going to be logged out of Clash of Clans. It really is as simple as that. If you did want to play again, what you need to do is log back into either this account or a new account as well. This is a good way to have two accounts, which is pretty awesome. But if you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.